Introducing Sports Light, a high-powered floodlight by Keystone. Sports Light features an innovative detachable driver, allowing you to place the driver box at the base and the remote mount fixture up to 164 feet away, so you can do maintenance without a lift. Detaching the driver also lowers fixture weight and makes the fixture easy to install with linking cords available in 32 and 64 feet. The attachable laser accessory ensures your lighting is precisely targeted. And Keystone's free lighting layouts allow installers to place Sports Light in the exact locations and in the right numbers. Sports Light is IP65 rated to stand up to the elements. And comes in two models, 500 watts with 70,000 lumens and 750 watts with 105,000 lumens. It comes pre-installed with a yoke mount bracket and 30-degree optic lens, and also comes with a glare shield and shorting cap for a NEMA 7-pin receptacle. Available accessories include 20 and 40-degree optic lens options, laser, photocell, slip fitter mount, and linking cords. Sports Light from Keystone. It's a game changer. That's Keystone. Light made easy.